Did you know that more than 70% of the people are curious about tarot but don't know where to start? So yeah, you're not alone. Join us as we dive into the world of tarot and take on the challenge to learn it all with this free course. No experience is needed. I'm Cesar from the team of 70 Puertas, and today I'm here to present you a free course that will teach you how to read the tarot easily and effectively. Many people feel intimidated by the tarot, as they believe it is complicated and requires a lot of study. They think they need to know all meanings of all cards to be able to read tarot. If you also believe it, I have great news for you. It's not necessary at all. In this course, we will explore all major arcana and how to read them in practical readings. The key to learning tarot is practice. But even more important than practice, in order to do great tarot readings, is that you need to know how to look and how to understand what you're looking at, the cards, and how they interact with each other. That's what we teach. That's how we read. That's what you learn, and that's how you will read the tarot too. Furthermore, you can download our guide on the colors in the Tarot de Marseille completely free. It's a gift for all of you. This way, you'll understand what the colors imply and how to interpret them in your readings. With this course, you will not only learn about the tarot, but also gain confidence in your own abilities. How can you sign up? You have the link to do so right here in the description box of the video. We'll be waiting for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down here about your experiences with the tarot. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!